Welcome to Axxa Property Management. Are you a property owner in Napa County looking for professional and reliable property management services? You've come to the right place. At Axxa Property Management, we specialize in providing top-notch property management services throughout Napa County. Whether you own a residential property, commercial property, or multi-unit complex, we have the expertise and experience to help you maximize your investment and achieve your goals. One of the key services we offer is tenant placement. We understand the importance of finding the right tenants for your property. That's why we conduct thorough background checks and screening processes to ensure that we find responsible and trustworthy tenants. We handle all aspects of the tenant placement process, from advertising and property showings to lease preparation and signing. With our expert team on your side, you can rest assured that your property will be occupied by reliable tenants. Another essential service we provide is property maintenance. We know that maintaining a property can be time-consuming and stressful. That's why we take care of all the maintenance tasks for you. From routine inspections and repairs to handling tenant requests, we ensure that your property is well maintained and in top condition. Our trusted network of vendors and contractors enables us to promptly address any maintenance issues and deliver quality results. Rent collection is yet another vital aspect of property management, and we excel at it. We take the hassle out of rent collection by implementing efficient systems and procedures. Our team diligently follows up with tenants, handles late payments, and ensures that you receive your rental income on time. We also provide detailed financial reports, giving you complete visibility into the financial performance of your property. In addition to these core services, we offer comprehensive property accounting, budgeting, and financial planning services. We strive to help you make informed decisions and optimize your property's financial performance. With our transparent and accurate financial reporting, you can easily track your property's revenue and expenses and make adjustments as needed. So, if you're in Napa County and looking for professional property management services, look no further than Axxa Property Management. Our dedicated team of experts is committed to providing exceptional service and delivering results. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you maximize your property's potential and achieve long-term success.